In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off video autoplay feature on Twitter. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Once you are on Twitter, you can see that all videos in the Twitter feed autoplayed as you scroll through those videos, and you can in any time disable this feature. All you have to do is right there hit at your profile picture and then tap at settings and support. Then tap at settings and privacy, and right here tap at accessibility, display and languages. And then at the very top hit on data usage. Then right here tap at video autoplay. By default this feature set to on cellular or Wi-Fi, and right there you can change this option to only on Wi-Fi or to never. I'll just set it to never, and now I can go back to my Twitter feed, and then I can open up some account that contains video, and here as you can see now, in order to view that video I have to tap right there at this play button. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.